Welcome everyone to today's program, where we will explore the process of pig farming in the United States, from commercial farms to the high-quality pork products we consume daily. The pig farming industry in the U.S. not only makes a significant contribution to the national economy, but also meets both domestic and international consumer demands, producing safe and nutritious pork products for the community. Commercial pig farms are primarily located in the Midwestern states of the U.S., including Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, Illinois, and South Dakota. These areas are known for their favorable natural conditions for livestock farming and food production. These farms specialize in breeding sows to produce healthy piglets, which are then sent to the market to be processed into pork products to meet global consumer demand. At these farms, the pork production process begins right from the breeding stage, when sows are carefully nurtured and monitored to ensure that the piglets are born healthy. Animal care specialists closely track the health of the sows and assist them throughout their pregnancy. This not only ensures the well-being of the mother pigs, but also lays the foundation for the sustainable growth of the entire herd. All of these steps are carried out with dedicated care to provide high-quality products for consumers. The pig farming process at commercial farms begins right from the breeding stage. At these farms, sows, mother pigs, and gilts, female pigs that have not yet reproduced, are the main subjects in the breeding process. To ensure the strong development of piglets, both sows and gilts are artificially inseminated, a modern method widely used in the pig farming industry. Artificial insemination, or AI, is an effective technique that helps ensure high pregnancy rates and good breeding quality. Farms use semen from healthy boars, which is collected and stored at special facilities called boar studs. This semen is then used to inseminate sows and gilts. The process is carried out by animal care experts, who have the experience and specialized skills to ensure the quality of each insemination. When the gestation period ends, the sow is moved to the farrowing pen, where she will give birth to healthy piglets. The care process for the piglets begins the moment they are born. The animal care staff at these farms not only prepare clean pens and ensure sanitary conditions, but also make sure that all the necessary tools and equipment are ready for the arrival of the piglets. As soon as the piglets are born, they begin nursing from the sow. Colostrum, the first milk produced by the sow after giving birth, is a crucial source of nutrition that helps boost the piglet's immune system. This milk is rich in natural antibodies that protect the piglets from diseases during their early life. Ensuring that the piglets receive enough colostrum is essential for their healthy development. The animal care staff also monitor and check the health condition of the sow throughout the nursing process. This not only helps the sow maintain her health so she can continue taking good care of the piglets, but also ensures that the piglets get a strong and healthy start in life. The sow needs to be provided with adequate nutrition to maintain her health and produce high-quality milk for the piglets. After about 21 days, the piglets are weaned from the sow and moved to another farm within the Christensen farm system, where they are cared for in conditions suitable for their specific stage of development. At the nurseries, the piglets are provided with a special diet to support the transition from mother's milk to nutrient-rich dry feed. Each piglet is closely monitored to ensure they develop on schedule, achieving optimal weight and health. Animal care experts use advanced methods to control the temperature and humidity in the pens, ensuring the piglets remain comfortable and safe. One of the key factors in this care process is ensuring a clean and safe living environment for the pigs. The farms are equipped with modern climate control systems that help maintain the appropriate temperature and humidity for the pigs' development. Additionally, these farms implement strict sanitation measures to prevent the spread of diseases. When the piglets reach about 50 to 60 pounds, they are moved to the finishing pens, where they continue to grow until they reach the required market weight. This process ensures the piglets have enough space and the proper conditions to develop healthily and strongly before being sent to market. Healthcare for pigs is a crucial factor in the farming process. Just like humans, pigs can get sick and need timely treatment to maintain their health. Therefore, at every pig farm, animal care specialists work closely with veterinarians to ensure that all pigs are healthy and developing normally. When a pig becomes ill, the care specialists will immediately assess its health condition and determine the appropriate treatment plan. These treatment options may include the use of antibiotics or other interventions, depending on the animal's condition. All treatment decisions are made after consulting with veterinarians to ensure that the pig is treated safely and effectively. Furthermore, each farm has biosecurity procedures in place to minimize the risk of disease spread from external sources. These measures include thoroughly cleaning the pens, wearing protective clothing when entering the farm, and tightly controlling access to the farm. Each farm is also equipped with special climate control and ventilation systems to maintain an ideal living environment for the pigs. When the pigs reach the standard weight of around 285 pounds, about 129 kilograms, and are ready for market, they are prepared for transport to processing facilities. The transportation of pigs from the farm to meat processing plants is a crucial step in the food supply chain. This not only requires ensuring the safety of the pigs, but also maintaining the quality of the final product. When the pigs arrive at the processing facility, they are placed in resting pens, where they can relax and drink water to recover from the long journey. This process is crucial as the pigs need time to recuperate before moving on to the next stage of processing. The processing facilities will also check the pigs' health to ensure they are completely healthy before starting the slaughtering process. The transportation and resting process is not only a part of maintaining the quality of the meat products, but also an important aspect of ensuring compliance with ethical regulations in the livestock industry. Meat processing companies, including Triumph Foods and STF, are committed to operating according to strict standards that protect the rights and welfare of the animals. After the pigs are rendered unconscious, they are slaughtered and moved on to the next steps in the processing process. Here, skilled workers begin the butchering process, breaking down the carcass into parts such as bacon, ham, ribs, and other cuts of meat. This process is very meticulous and requires high technical skill to ensure that each piece of meat is handled accurately and in accordance with customer requirements. One of the important next steps is the inspection by USDA Food Safety and Inspection Service FSIS inspectors. The inspectors will examine the internal organs and other parts of the pig's body to ensure that there are no signs of disease and that all food safety standards are met. After the inspection, the meat products will be placed into a rapid cooling system to lower the temperature and maintain the freshness of the meat. Next, the meat will be moved to processing areas where it will be cut and packaged into products such as bacon, pork belly, ribs, or prepared products like sausages and cold cuts. Once the products are completed, they will be packaged and ready for distribution to retailers or customers both domestically and internationally. The connectivity in the food supply chain is a crucial factor in ensuring that every pork product, from the farm to the consumer's table, meets high quality and safety standards. In the Christensen Farms supply chain model, every step, from pig farming to processing and product distribution, is carried out carefully and efficiently. This not only ensures quality, but also enhances the sustainability and effectiveness of the entire production system. It is this connectivity that allows the food supply chain system to function smoothly, delivering high-quality pork products to consumers while ensuring sustainability and long-term development for the livestock farming and food processing industry. The pig farming and pork processing process at Christensen Farms and their partners is an exemplary model of how the modern food industry operates efficiently, sustainably, and safely. The investment in technology, modern farming methods, and strict quality control systems has enabled Christensen Farms and their partners in the food supply chain to achieve high standards in production and animal welfare protection. Each step in this process contributes to ensuring that pigs are raised and processed responsibly while delivering high-quality pork products to consumers. Thank you all for watching today's program. We hope that, through this information, you now have a deeper understanding of the pig farming and pork processing process, as well as the importance of maintaining a safe and efficient food supply chain.